a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, bed liner, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.